Dear students, let us continue our remaining classes. First, we discuss about the origin of sociology. In this part, we discuss when was the subject sociology is originated. In 18th and 19th century, Europe faced the Industrial Revolution and even French also faced the French Revolution. Then onwards, history, political science, economics, and psychology, these subjects are studied as a social science. Social and religious reform movements and Renaissance and other related movements are started in all over the world. It was resulted to origin of the sociology. The separate subject of sociology is originated in the middle of 19th century. Then onwards, we study the subject sociology is separately and independently. From the last 50 years, we study the sociology as a separate branch of the social science. Next, we are discuss about scope of sociology. Means which are the important parts we are studied in a sociology or the subject matter of the sociology. First one, sociology studies the human society. It means it study about the human beings. Second one, sociology studies the human social life. It studies the behavior of the human beings with other person or in a society. Third one, sociology also study social relationship. Sociology studies relationship between individuals with neighborhood or with any other person. Next, fourth one is social institution. It studies social institution. For example, the relationship between human beings with the social institutions. Social institution means school, government, family, neighborhood, religious place. These are all example for the social institution. Fifth one is social process. Sociology also study about the social process. What is social process? Social process means those way in which individuals and group interact with each other and establish social relationship. For example, cooperation, competition, conflict, etc. Now we are discuss about nature of sociology. Sociology has a unique place among all the social sciences. It is different from other social sciences due to its unique nature. Sociology is considered is an independent and separate field of study. Now we are discussing important nature or features of the sociology. First one is sociology is a social science, not a physical science. The subject sociology belong to the group of social science. Social science means the subject history, political science, economics, psychology is called as a social science. It not to the group of physical science. Physical science means which subject? Mainly physics, chemistry, astronomy and related subject are called as a physical science. So sociology belong to social science, not a physical science. It studies social life and activities of human society. The sociology also have a close relationship with other social science like history, political science, economics, psychology and anthropology. Second one is sociology is a definitive study but not a directive study. Sociology studies human society as it is. It never engaged in how it should be studied. It means it conduct its researches as it is. It does not engage in value judgment. It cannot do any research as good or bad in terms of one's standard or in one's priorities. It aims at objective study only. Sociology always remains neutral in value based aspects. It cannot decide and it cannot give any judgment this is good or this is a bad. Third one is sociology is a pure science and not an applied science. Sociology is interested in objective study that result in the formation of empirical body knowledge only. Sociology study about something that is real, not imagined. Sociology conduct its researches on the basis of sense of experiences, particularly by the observation. Sociology is not an applied science which is interested in experiments. Some sciences, mainly physical science, these are interested in experiments. They are used the different type of the technology or the techniques, but in a sociology it studies as it is, it not do any experiments. Fourth point is sociology is an intangible science and not a tangible science. Tangible means able to touch, intangible means we cannot unable to touch. Here, sociology is not interested in some of the tangible aspects of the human life. It means it cannot discuss about the real life of the real aspects of the human life. It has interested in the form and pattern of human events. It has no interest, it not discuss any specific battle or revolution like history. It cannot discuss about reason and result of the any battle. It consider these events or like a battle is a pattern or form of social conflict only. Now we are discuss about the last point of the nature of sociology, that is sociology is a general science and not a special science. Among all social sciences, only sociology studies the general interactions of the human beings. It study about the interaction of human beings with the religion, politics, economy, moral and intellectual aspects. It has a wider scope than the other social sciences. So, sociology is a general science, not a special science.